Hey crypto fans, today I'm showing you how to set up your Phantom wallet, add Solana, link to Jupiter, find meme coins safely, and swap. Let's get started. First, let's set up your Phantom wallet. Head to the Chrome web store, search for Phantom wallet, and add the extension. Create a new wallet and save your recovery phrase securely. Next, let's add some Solana to your wallet. You can buy Solana on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, then transfer it to your Phantom wallet using your wallet address. Now, let's link your Phantom wallet to Jupiter. Go to the Jupiter website, click Connect Wallet, and select Phantom. Confirm the connection in your wallet. Ready to find some meme coins? On Jupiter, use the search bar to find the latest meme coins. Make sure to check the liquidity and verify the token details to stay safe. Finally, let's swap some tokens. Select the token you want to swap from and the token you want to receive. Enter the amount, review the transaction details, and confirm the swap in your Phantom wallet. There you have it. Setting up Phantom wallet, adding Solana, linking to Jupiter, finding meme coins safely, and swapping tokens made easy. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto guides.